Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best cleanup brush is probably one of the most underrated tools in your cleaning arsenal. Today, we're diving deep into the world of this amazing product, exploring its features, and putting it to the test. Whether you're a seasoned cleaning pro or just starting out, this review will help you decide if this brush is the right choice for your home. Get ready to discover how this brush can transform your cleaning routine and leave your space sparkling. Number 5. SAVILAND 6PCS Nail Art Brushes Set. Introducing the SAVILAND 6PCS Nail Art Brushes Set. This set includes everything you need to create stunning nail designs. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. This set features various brushes for different nail art techniques. You can use them with UV gels, extension gels, and builder gels. They are perfect for drawing intricate patterns and creating French nails. These brushes are made with high-quality materials for a comfortable experience. The ergonomic handles and smooth nylon hair make it easy to create beautiful nail art. You'll love using them. This SAVILAND set comes in a beautiful gift box. It's a great gift for anyone who loves doing nail art. They will be thrilled with this versatile set. Before using, soak the brushes in hot water to remove the sealing wax. Clean them immediately after each use. If you have any questions, customer service is always available to assist you. Enjoy your shopping. What we like. This set offers a variety of brushes for all your nail art needs, from intricate designs to extensions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals, allowing you to explore your creativity. If you are looking for a comprehensive set to elevate your nail art game, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They're sturdy, no shedding, and glide through gel smooth as butter. The bristles stay in shape, clean up easily, and the set gives you everything you need to slay your nail game at home. Each brush came in its own clear plastic storage tube to keep it safe from any damage. Number 4. Electric Spin Scrubber with 6 replaceable heads. Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing? This electric spin scrubber is here to help. Its ergonomic design and powerful motor will save you time and energy. This scrubber features an upgraded motor with 2 adjustable speeds. It tackles stubborn stains, soap scum, and dirt in minutes. You'll have more free time to enjoy life. Unlike others, this cleaning brush boasts a large battery capacity. It provides 180 minutes of continuous use after a quick charge. The digital display shows the battery level. This scrubber comes with 6 replaceable brush heads. They cater to all your cleaning needs, from bathrooms to windows. The heads are easy and secure to install. The cordless design is lightweight, ensuring comfortable use. It's also IPX7 waterproof, allowing for safe use in various environments. You can even rinse it under running water. What we like. This electric scrubber is designed to make cleaning effortless with its powerful motor and multiple brush heads. It features a long-lasting battery and a clear display, so you will never be caught off guard. If you are tired of scrubbing and want to save time and energy, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The 6 interchangeable brush heads are perfect for different areas. I've used it on showers, sinks, tiles, and even windows, all with great results. The battery lasts a long time, and it charges quickly. The rotating power is strong enough to remove tough dirt and soap scum without effort. Number 3. Twinkled Kolinsky Nail Cleaning Brush. This Kolinsky brush is designed for professional nail art. The hair's durability and shape retention make it the best choice. If properly cared for, it will last for years. Kolinsky hair is the top choice for nail art brushes. It's known for its durability and ability to keep its shape. This brush will help you create beautiful nail art. The brush handle is made of aluminum and is acetone resistant. This ensures the brush's longevity and makes it easy to clean. It's a tool built to last. The brush comes with an aluminum cap to protect the bristles. It's also designed with a pink handle and clear crystals. This makes it a stylish addition to your nail art kit. A special card with instructions on how to care for the brush is included. This will help you maintain the brush and extend its lifespan. Follow the instructions to keep it in top condition. What we like. This brush is crafted with premium Kolinsky hair, known for its durability and shape retention. The handle is acetone resistant and comes with a protective cap, ensuring longevity. If you like a professional grade brush that will last for years with proper care, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is great for cleaning. It works very well. The design is very good. Number 2. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, Gap Cleaning Tools. This SXhyf cleaning brush is designed to handle big messes. It's made from durable plastic and alloy materials, ensuring it's sturdy and long-lasting. The non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip while you clean. Make cleaning chores easier with this brush. Its narrow head easily reaches gaps and corners, removing dust and dirt from hard-to-reach areas. It's the perfect gift for anyone who wants a cleaner home. This versatile brush is suitable for various surfaces. Use it on windowsills, grout lines, sinks, and more. It's a great tool for cleaning around the house, in the bathroom, or even in your car. This cleaning brush makes your life easier and saves your hands. It's designed to clean gaps on various objects effectively. The brush provides leverage and durability for intense cleaning tasks. The handle of this brush features a small hole for easy hanging. This design helps save space and allows for quick drying. It's a practical addition to any home cleaning kit. What we like. This crevice brush is designed to tackle those hard-to-reach areas with ease. The narrow head and sturdy bristles make it perfect for cleaning gaps and corners. If you have a hard time cleaning small spaces, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The brush is great for cleaning. It works very well. The design is perfect. Number 1. What's Up Nails Pure Color No. 4 Angular Brush. Introducing the What's Up Nails Pure Color No. 4 Angular Brush. This brush is designed to help you achieve perfect manicures. It's the perfect tool for any nail art enthusiast. The brush is made with high-quality Kolinsky sable hair. This ensures precision and ease of use. You'll love how smoothly it glides across your nails. It features a sleek metal body and a protective lid. This design not only looks great but also protects the bristles. It's built to last. The brush includes rubber bands for an ergonomic grip. This provides comfort and control while you work. An extra set of bands is also included. This brush is perfect for creating curved designs and detailing. It's also great for cleaning up cuticles. It's a must-have tool for any nail artist. With a brush length of 1/4 inch, 6 mm, it offers the perfect balance. This allows for precise application and control. Get yours today. What we like. This brush is made with high-quality Kolinsky sable hair and features an ergonomic grip for comfortable use. It's designed for creating designs that need curves or angles with ease. If you like precise detailing and clean cuticles, this is the perfect brush for you. What people say. The detail brush has proven indispensable for drag marble and touching up mistakes. Each brush comes individually packaged with a cap and a small packet of rubber rings that you can use to replace the black, rubber grips on the brush handle. The metal tip just glides through the polish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.